So we're going to learn the Gumby cat makeup today, and the Gumby cat she's one of the older cats, but she's really jolly and she's kind of the one in charge of everyone. She's very bossy, so she has this cute makeup. So we start off with the base. So every cat has a base, all different colours. So she has a white patch. So that's the start of the base, the white, as you can see. And then, so Jennyanydots is quite colourful. She's orange is her colour, so then we go for the orange around that. And then in order to, so it's not like one colour going into the next, you have to blend them, which you do by the same dabbing, blend them so it's not a harsh line between the two colours. There we go, that's the base. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna powder it, because we powder it so that when we sweat, it doesn't all come off, but also then you can put more makeup on top of that without it smudging into each other. There we go, gorgeous. Okay, so then we start her eyes. Now she has these amazing eyelashes that come underneath. So she has quite dramatic eyes, which are really cute. So, here we go. So first of all, the eyebrows. Now I'm using the black derma colour and I'm going to mix it with a bit of a black stick. This one's more greasy, so just so it goes on a bit smoother. Cute. So they're her cute little eyebrows. Then we start with the eyes. And these are quite tricky, so bear with me. Okay. So if you shut your eyes, perfect. So now we're going to do the under the eye bit, which is all the funky long lashes. Then, the last bit on the eyes, she has these cute little bits between the two that just come here. Then we're going to move on to your nose. And it's really important when doing the nose that you make it like a cat nose, not a dog nose. And we do cat lip outline. Beautiful. Okay, so now she has a little orange nose above her black. Yes. Then she has two cute little orange things here that her whiskers go over. Okay, so then she has a little bit of fluff here. Okay, so because she's a tabby cat, she has stripes tiger stripes and leopard spots, as it says in the song. So now we're going to create those tiger stripes. Lovely. Then we just need to give you some more tiger stripes and you're nearly done. Then Jennyanydots has got gorgeous red lips. So we have this lovely red lipstick and I'm going to paint those lips red. That's it, then we're nearly done. But Jenny has cute little curls. So they're just little tiny kiss curl kind of things. So we go whoop. Yes, and one more thing. So she just has this cute little bit of orange in the middle of her forehead. And then we're literally done. She just has a bit of mascara. There she is! Ta-da! Let's see you. Oh, that's brilliant. What do you think?
I found my inner cat soul.
Your inner cat, yay! And that is Jennyanydots, the Gumby cat.